Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the profit, loss and discount lesson. Now coming to the new topic, GST. What is GST? It is the goods and service tax. GST is an indirect tax applicable throughout India, which has replaced multiple taxes levied by the central and state governments. So earlier different taxes were there, but now everything it is common, that is a GST, goods and service tax. And the GST comprises the central GST, that is CGST, levied by the central government. State GST, that is SGST, levied by the state. And the third is integrated GST, IGST, levied by center on interstate supply of goods and services. एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट लेके जाने का तो तब भी IGST. Under GST, the goods and services are the taxes at the following rate. So GST, how much percent is levied? It is on some articles it is 0%, then 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. So remember what is GST and all. Okay. Now coming to the example. Example 10. Meera bought an AC for rupees 22,000 including GST of 28%. Find the price of the AC before GST was added. Whatever article we buy, the cost actually it will be something else and we have to pay some extra money, that is the GST amount. So here Meera bought an AC for 22,000 including GST. मतलब GST को ऐड करके वो 22% पे की. GST परसेंट कितना था? 28%. अभी वो पूछे हैं the price of the AC before GST was added. मतलब actual cost of the AC कितना है? So we can write the cost of the AC. We don't know. So let the cost of the AC be rupees X. मालूम नहीं है. Total money paid, that is CP, it is the cost plus GST percent, है ना? तो cost of the article plus GST percent. So cost कितना दिया है? We don't know, X. GST percent कितना है? 28% of X. GST percent means what? 28% of the cost. So total money कितना बोले हैं? 22,000. So total money paid including GST is 22,000. Actual cost we don't know. Let it be X. So GST percent is added to it. That means 28% of X is added. Okay. Now X plus 28% means 28 upon 100 into X. अभी ये बनेगा X plus 28 into X, 28X upon 100. Now it is a fraction. Here the denominator is 1. LCM निकालने का है. LCM is 100. अभी न्यूमरेटर में इधर 1 100 100 100 into x, 100x plus 28x. So you got 22,000 is equal to 128x upon 100. 100x plus 28x, 128x. Okay, now x is equal to 22,000 into 100 upon 128. So 128 4 का टेबल में 100 को वैसे ही रखो. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20 and 2 zeros. Now 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 1 remains, 4 3s are 12, 3 remains, 4 7s are 28, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now x is equal to, you got 1375 and these two zeros upon 8. Now it will be in the decimal. Rupees 8, how much are 13? 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 remains. 8 7s are 56, 1 remains. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10 and 5, 7 remains. 70. 8 how much are 70? 8 8s are 64, means 6 remains. 8 how much are 60? 7s are 56, isn't it? 56. Now 4 remains. Take extra 0, 40. 5s are 8 5s are 40. 0.5 means it is 50 paise. So this calculation you have to be careful. Here it comes in the decimals also. So better be careful. Answer: cost price of the AC is rupees 17187.50. Or cost of the AC before GST was added is, ऐसे लिख सकते हो. Did you understand? So you don't know the cost, let it be X. Total money paid is along with the GST, that is cost plus GST %. They have given 22,000 as the total money paid. Cost is X plus 28% of X. X plus 28% is written as 28 upon 100 into X. So X plus 28 into X, 28X upon 100. Now here the denominator is 1, here it is 100. So take the LCM. LCM is 100. So 100s are 100. 100 into X, 100X plus 28X. That means 22,000 is equal to 128X upon 100. So X is equal to 22,000 into 100 upon 128. And the calculation. Is it okay? That was example 10. Now coming to the example 11. Anuj buys a pair of Nike shoes for rupees 6,000 and GST charged on it is 18%. Find the amount that Anuj pays. So, the actual cost before adding the GST, how much is it? So, cost of the shoes is equal to rupees 6,000. GST percent, how much is given? 18%. Now find out the GST amount. GST amount, how much it will be? 18% of rupees 6,000. जब भी आप लोगों को GST परसेंट दिया जाता है, GST अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करो. दैट इज 18/100 into 6,000. 20 cut. It is 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 1s are 6. 7 8 9 10. So we got 1,080. Now the amount, total amount of the shoes is equal to cost plus GST amount. How much? Cost is 6,000 plus 1080. It is rupees 7080. Hope all of you understood. When the cost of the shoes is given, GST percent is given, first find out the GST amount and add it to the cost of the shoes. So answer, Anuj pays an amount of rupees 7,080 for the shoes. Is it clear? So that was the examples for GST. Hope everyone understood both the sums. Bye. Thank you.